Dogs are undoubtedly the most honest animals on earth. They never lie to us, and they are always truthful in their own unique way. There's no denying that our relationship with dogs is something truly special. Their loyalty and affection have been revered for centuries, making them the perfect companion. But have you ever wondered why your dog is so honest with you? What is it about these furry friends that makes them such truthful companions? In this video, we will explore the reasons why dogs are the most honest animals on earth. They don't understand lies. Dogs live in the present moment. They don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. They just enjoy the here and now. This makes them very honest creatures because they don't have any hidden agendas or ulterior motives. They are just being themselves and living life according to their own instincts. Their body language is honest. Dogs communicate with each other through body language. And this is also how they communicate with us. If a dog is wagging its tail, it's happy. If it's growling, it's angry or scared. Dogs don't try to hide their emotions from us. They just wear them on their sleeve, so to speak. This honesty is what makes dogs such great companions. We can always read their body language and know how they're feeling. It makes our interactions with them more meaningful and strengthens our bond. If you're interested in learning more about canine body language, let us know in the comments below. We could make a video about that too. They're not capable of deception. Dogs are incapable of lying intentionally. They don't know what it means to deceive someone. This doesn't mean that they won't do things that could be considered dishonest, like stealing food when no one is looking. But this behavior is driven by their instincts, not by a desire to harm us. Dogs are not malicious creatures. They are honest and open, and this is what makes them such wonderful companions. We can trust them to be truthful with us, even if they can't always tell the truth verbally. Dogs are empathetic. Dogs are very in tune with our emotions, and they can sense when we are feeling down. They will spend extra time with us, offering comfort and support when we need it the most. This is because they are honest creatures who are not capable of lying or deceiving us. They know that we are hurting, and they want to help. The unconditional love and support of a dog can be a great source of strength when we are feeling weak. Their actions speak louder than words. Dogs show their honesty through their actions rather than their words. For example, if a dog is wagging its tail, it is showing that it is happy to see you. If it is licking your face, it is showing that it loves you. Dogs don't need to say they are honest. They prove it through their actions. And this is what makes them such great companions. We can always rely on them to be honest with us, even if they can't always tell the truth verbally. Dogs are honest because they are simple. They don't have the capacity to understand complex social concepts like lying. They are just simple creatures who live in the moment and are honest as a result. They don't have anything to hide from us. They are open and forthcoming. And this is what makes them such great companions. We can trust them to be truthful with us, even if they can't always say it. They are straightforward. Dogs are straightforward creatures who don't have time for beating around the bush. They say what they mean, and they mean what they say. This is why dogs are such great companions. We know where we stand with them at all times. There is no need to read between the lines when talking to a dog. They are honest and upfront, and we appreciate that. They are sincere. Dogs are sincere creatures who don't understand the concept of lying. They are honest in their thoughts, words, and deeds. And this is why they make such wonderful companions. We know that when a dog wags its tail, it is genuinely happy to see us. When they lick our faces, it is because they love us. Dogs don't fake their emotions. They are open and vulnerable, and this makes our bond with them even stronger. They don't judge. Dogs don't judge us, which makes them the perfect companion. We can be honest with them, even when we are not being honest with others. Dogs don't care about our flaws or mistakes. They just love us for who we are. This is why we feel so comfortable around dogs. We know that they will not judge us or try to change us. They accept us for who we are and love us unconditionally. They are loyal. Dogs are loyal creatures who stick by their owners through thick and thin. They don't understand the concept of lying or deception. They are honest in their love and loyalty. And this is why they are such wonderful companions. We know that we can always count on our dogs for unconditional love and support. No matter what happens, we know that our dogs will be there for us. This loyalty is truly heartwarming and makes our lives so much better. They are loving. Dogs are loving creatures who don't understand the concept of lying. They are honest in their affection, and this is why they are such wonderful companions. We know that when a dog wags its tail, it is genuinely happy to see us. When they lick our faces, it is because they love us. Dogs don't fake their emotions. They are open and vulnerable, and this makes our bond with them even stronger. They are curious. Dogs are naturally curious, leads them to be honest in their interactions with us. They are always asking questions and trying to understand our point of view. Dogs don't understand the concept of lying, so they are always truthful in their interactions with us. This honesty makes them, and this is what makes them such great companions. We can trust them to a strange concept to think of dogs as being honest, but it's true. These furry little friends of ours are always telling the truth, even if they can't always say be truthful with us. So next time you're feeling down, go to a dog park and play fetch with some canines. You'll come back feeling refreshed and renewed. Now it's your turn to show some honesty. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with a friend who needs some honesty in their life. And if you're still not convinced that dogs are honest, leave a comment below. You can ever love yourself. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos about man's best friend. And be sure to check out our other videos as well. We have a ton of hilarious and heartwarming videos about dogs and other animals that are sure to brighten your day. So click away and get ready to laugh, cry, and feel good. Thanks for watching.